Hi, this is Laura Homan, Quality Assurance Director with StraightScore. Today we will focus on all aspects of classifying shooters, from determining the appropriate classes to temporarily updating a shooter's average. Now is the time to log in. Classifying is the first step in any tournament for which you are registering shooters. Although there could be an entire tutorial on the philosophy of classifying alone, we are going to spend our time today learning the mechanics of classifying with ShootPro Cloud. First, a shoot operations worker who is assigned the task of classifier must be assigned that role in the user management module. He can access the classifying menu by using the classifying column heading or the hamburger icon, either one, whatever is the preference. Ideally, when you classify a shooter, you have the shooters before you with the ATA card in hand. In reality, that is not always the case. Sometimes you have a shooter who has misplaced the ATA card and does not remember the ATA number. In this situation, you would need to enter the name exactly as it appears in the ATA database. Do not be discouraged if it takes several attempts to find the shooter using this method. Because of this, you may find that classifying is the one module whereby entering the ATA number is more efficient than typing the first 3 letters of the last name. So let's begin by entering an ATA number. Once you open the shooter's classification record, you see that all data points are pre-populated. In most cases, all you need to do is have the shooter confirm the data. If in agreement, you would simply choose the green Classify radio button, then have the shooter confirm the final classification by choosing the green Confirm and Save button. To return to a shooter who has already been classified, you simply click on the Enter ATA number or name area and then select the shooter, and at the prompt where shooter already classified, you would answer yes. This returns you back to where you were. If you need to make any change, simply click on the suggested class or yardage and select the new. Oftentimes, this occurs for the category. If a shooter wants no category, just select none. If you would like to see the classification charts with the average ranges, simply hover over the area in the shooter history section under the singles or doubles column headings. The chart automatically appears. To remove the chart from view, click on any area of the classification screen. If a shooter tells you that the average you have on the screen is inaccurate because the shooter participated in a registered shoot just a few days ago, there's no problem. You can update the ATA average by clicking on the Edit icon next to the shooter history section in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Once you're finished, don't forget to update the shooter. Keep in mind that this change is only temporary. The change recalculates the shooter's new average but does not update the ATA records. The shooter history now reflects the new average and may result in a change in singles or doubles classification. If there is a target requirement for your shoot, this information is entered during setup. Any penalty for shooters who do not meet the target requirement will automatically appear as the suggested class or yardage. Shooters who prefer to shoot at their assigned yardage may be marked as targets only. If a shooter is designated as targets only, Please make sure that the shooter understands the ramifications of making that choice. You are also able to update additional shooter information in the shooter details section, including initiating a charge at the cashier window for an ATA or state membership fee. Once the charge national membership box is checked, the charge automatically appears as the shooter selects desired options and pays for shooting at the cashier window. Finally, what if you have a person come to the classifying window and has never shot at an ATA event before, but decides they want to become an ATA member? No problem. Click on New Member and complete the information in Shooter Details. Click Classify and Confirm and Save. When the squatter squads Jamie, you'll notice that Jamie has been given a temporary number. This number is only for this particular shoot. Jamie would need to complete the ATA membership information in order to obtain an official ATA number. And that is how simple it is to classify a shooter. Remember that only a shoot operations worker assigned to the role of classifier will be able to perform this most important function. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments or contact us via the club dashboard. Additional resources are available in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to see when we post new tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thank you for watching.